Since COVID has happened, I think it's kind of coping with the new norm. Our day-to-day operations, just even our staff, is very limited now. Before COVID, we were at 30 to 40 people. There was at least one person on every production line. We would be able to produce 600 products a day, and now we're at maybe 4 production workers in. I was just production supervisor, and then COVID happened. I was maintaining engraving, I was doing shipping, production, and kits, and QC. And now, knowing how each department does work, I gained a little more experience. Coming in and working, it's definitely changed the dynamic of the atmosphere, you know, wearing masks. At the beginning of every shift before someone starts, you take your temperature. We have hand sanitizers all over the place. We do let people know, like, hey, as soon as you're done working in an area, just make sure you sanitize that area. My usual routine every morning when I see people come in is like, good morning, or hey, we're at work today, let's do it. Now I have to yell across the room and do it, so I look even more like a crazy lady. But you know, I still try to give that energetic vibe off. Mobile manufacturing definitely allows us to keep the goal of 5,000 jobs on top of the safety measures that COVID does regulate now, making sure that you don't have 100% capacity. Now we can actually offer more positions to other people, allowing people to work from home, bring it back, check it in, do it all over again. Well, now I'm gonna get a little personal with you. So I was actually incarcerated 2 years. I was 19. I was just kind of young and ignorant and didn't really know what I wanted to do with my life. And then coming to Trayvax, you know, I've discovered a lot about myself. I learned how to sew, especially with leather. I've learned and gained new skills. I have never had, like, you know, a full-time 40-hour-a-week job. I've never had the type of responsibility that I do have now. For me, it's been a self-discovery road, being here at Trayvax, finding out what I'm capable of. I'm always more than willing to step in a position and learn it. And I think that's why Trayvax resonates so much with me. It's just the doors that it's opened up for me. I started at the very bottom, and then I just kind of worked my way up. For me, I come to work every day and it's like crafting all day long. It's already a hobby within myself. We do our best to make people feel like it's not just any other job. We really do, as a company, treat everyone just like family. We do potlucks, we celebrate anniversaries here. We honestly try not to make it just about work. It's just like a place where you can grow. Customers know that the product that they're investing in is coming from an honest-made, USA-made company. Nowadays, so much is outsourced overseas. The fact that you can go to a facility where you bought your product and maybe take a tour and actually look around, that's awesome. I think it's the fact that it's so close to home for us and for so many people, it just really knits us even closer together. Hey, Max.
Hey.
How are the contours going?
They're going good. Just swapping out on the fixture, put them back in the CNC machine, trying to build back up our inventory so we can get them back on the website.
And they're the brass ones, right?
Yes.
We thoroughly make sure that we do our best to make sure that whatever products are getting made and then passing through are going to be what customers are actually paying for. I'm sure a lot more people are really curious and like, well, where's this wallet made? And then they probably hear about Trayvax and they're like, well, I want that wallet. Getting feedback from our customers is always great.
This is definitely one of the best recommendations that I can give.
So pretty.
Am I weird that I really like the smell of leather?
Whenever we get shout outs, that's awesome. I really love that. I don't want our staff to just think after all that training and just not really hear anything from customers. I want them to kind of understand, like, because of the fact that you put in the effort and the quality into this, it's not just for no reason. A customer absolutely loves it. We want to thank all of our customers who have been full on supporting us 100% through all of this. The most that we can do at the moment is work together to keep everyone safe, making sure that we're all doing our part, and in the end, we'll end up getting through it together, slowly but surely. And that's why I'm proud to be part of this team.